How to pay council tax online in the UK. So first of all, you're going to want to go to a web browser and type in the URL you can see at the top left hand corner. It's www.gov.uk/pay-council-tax. So type in the URL, then you want to enter your postcode. So this is specific for you. I'm gonna go ahead and type in my postcode. Not gonna show all my personal details, of course, but once you get through there, you'll go to your local council's website, where then you'll be able to scroll down and then click on make a council tax payment online. You can go directly to here as well. Then you want to input your details. I'm doing that now, obviously not going to show my details, but there afterwards you'll put in your card details to be able to pay the amount for your council tax. Then once you've done that, you should get a message that looks a bit like this in the top left hand corner. It will say thank you for your payment. That's when you know it's done. Recommend keeping a record of that, but that's the full process. Leave a like on the video for help, to subscribe for more helpful videos.